Hey everybody, Rick Snow here with another guitar tutorial here. I'm going to teach a real simple version. We're going to do two different versions actually of this song Get Lucky from Daft Punk. Unfortunately, they broke up about a month ago, and I started showing this song to a lot of my students recently, and they all like it. What's great about the song, a couple things. It's a 6-minute song, at least the version that I've been listening to, and what's nice about it is it's in a rotation, okay? So we're going to talk about the chords right now. I have my capo on the 2nd fret. I'm tuned to standard tuning. And this is a simpler version of the song. The chords that I'm playing for this song, it starts off in an A minor chord, and then it switches to a C. Notice how the only thing I needed to do was push my 3rd finger out from my A minor chord. You've already done the work there, so keep it simple, right? So I'm going from an A minor to a C, to an E minor, and then down to a D chord. So it's those 4 chords in that order for the entire 6 minutes. So we've got an A minor for 1 measure, 2, 3, 4, switch to the C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then an E minor, and then the D. And it just does that over and over and over again for the instrumental part at the beginning, for the verse, the chorus, the entire song. It's an awesome song to play with. What's great about it is it gives you a chance to do the same things over and over again, and it can remove you from some of the complexities of looking at, okay, now I'm in the verse of the song and here comes the pre-chorus, or what's the arrangement of changing from the verse into the chorus and stuff like that. There's different advantages you can take with different songs like this. So once again, I'm going to play it up to a little bit closer to tempo. It's a little bit of a faster song, but you can hear, there's a really good drum beat in there that you can count to 4 with and everything. So here we go. This A minor to a C, and then an E minor, and then a D. One more time, A minor to a C, E minor, and a D. And that's literally the entire song. You can have a lot of fun with that for 6 minutes if you're capoed on the 2nd fret. All right, now I'm going to take this capo off right here. And the same exact chord progression, but a little bit more complex that involves actually some open chords and some bar chords here. So by taking the capo off, our first chord then becomes a B minor. I'm playing this as a 2nd fret 5th string minor bar chord. My first finger is barring across strings 5 through 1. 2nd finger is on fret 3 string 2. My 3rd finger is on fret 4 string 4, and my 3rd finger is on fret 4 string 3. I'm strumming 5 through 1 on that one. Just a little hint also that I also share with my students. You'll notice when I'm strumming, you're not hearing that unwanted noise from string 6 right there. It's because I'm allowing the tip of my finger right here to actually touch string 6. That's something that someone showed me a long time ago. It's a great little tip along the way that you can learn right here. So when you're playing a 5th string bar chord, you can just let the tip of your finger touch string 6, and then it'll block it so you can keep your rhythm going, okay? So we're going from a B minor here for 4 beats to a D. That's an open chord. F sharp minor, okay? So that F sharp minor chord is just on the same fret that the B minor was. It's a 6 string minor bar chord. So my first finger is coming across like just the way the capo was right here, and I'm playing an E minor in front of my first finger right here. So 6 string minor bar chord. My 3rd finger is on fret 4 string 5, and my 4th finger is on fret 4 string 4. That one you're going to strum all 6 strings to, and then the final chord for this is going to be the E chord. Okay, so it's a B minor to a D, F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and an E. I'll count that out one more time. So B minor, 2, 3, 4, and a D, 2, 3, 4, F sharp minor, 2, 3, 4, and an E. Okay, now up the tempo, kind of more like a song. The strumming parts in that song right there, what I'm doing is I'm adding in a couple of different strumming patterns that are a little bit too difficult to explain on this video. I'm going to be doing a whole video on a rhythm series, so stay tuned for that one. But what I'm doing to add a little bit of that percussive sound, it's called a choke, and what I'm actually doing is the side of my hand here as I'm strumming, I'm actually blocking the strings before they hit, and then I'm immediately following with an upstrum. So let's say I'm going B minor. talk about that in the rhythm series that's coming up soon. So hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe Daft Punk will come back again sometime soon, hopefully. They made some great music. And anyway, please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and have a great day. Thanks a lot.